Okay, so the project at hand is this turn signal bulb is out, and we're going to go ahead and replace it. It'll be a quick fix, but maybe we could make a short video showing people how to do it. Alright, okay, tools we're going to need for this job. Need a little Phillips screwdriver to remove the trim screw, 3/8 ratchet, a T30 Torx, and 2 extensions to get to the long screw in the back. That should be about it. Let's go ahead and do the repair. It's a pretty simple fix, so we'll go ahead and take care of it. Alrighty. There's a small trim screw right here that holds this rubber gasket. It may or may not cooperate. You may have to use a little persuasion on the back to get it out. So we get that free. And now we have 2 T30 screws here. Pay careful attention to the bottom one, which has your outside temperature sensor. Okay, so these two in the front aren't bad. There's our temperature sensor. There's one more that's hidden here. This one's right in here, and you can see it if you look. I can't really show you on camera, but trust me, it's in there. If you're worried about the paint, you can put a little rag here. The tricky part is getting this screw out without dropping it behind the fender. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers if you need to. Alright, now there's a small plastic clip holding it in there. These little plastic tools can be very helpful. Okay. Alright, so once you get it pulled out, this is what you'll see. This is the headlight, and this is our turn signal marker light here. You just turn it. Pop it out. This one is partially blown. You can see because it's all black on one side. Let's see if we have a bulb laying around. Okay. This one seems okay. Let's try it. That's tight. There we go. Let's turn the lights on. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, let's reassemble. I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but there's some ears here where these tabs line up. One is a different size. Push it back together and rotate. Locks it into place, just like that. Okay, now let's get this back in. There's some plastic tabs you want to line up. There's one here, there's one in the back. They have some holes. Just want to line them up. Snap them into place. And then we'll just put the screws back in. Same order, reverse order what we took them out. Click. Okay, don't forget to grab your external temperature sensor and this guy in here. It'll function there. Okay, and then one last piece. We're going to pop this trim screw back in. Okay, there it is. Let's see if it lights up. It does. Alright, we're going to call that fixed. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and hopefully this will help somebody. Thanks.